What's up, what it is, YouTube? It's your boy, Don't Play Trent, checking in live from the lab. Back at it again with another video here on the Little Account, where I give you guys tips and tricks on how to grow a little account into a big deal. So, without further ado, we gonna jump straight into. Today is the day I show you guys how to withdraw from your broker. So after you go ahead and bang the market up, hit them with the let me show you guys how to withdraw, at least how I withdraw. You know, the easiest, the most fastest method that I would consider when it comes to withdrawing from the market. So if you guys have been struggling or needed any help, or you know, you finally got to that stage where you got some confidence and you looking to partner with a broker and deposit real money, I'm gonna show you guys how I withdraw from my broker and show you guys, you know, it's all legit, and I'm gonna show you how fast the money comes. So I'm gonna take you guys on the screen and show you guys exactly how I withdraw when it comes to withdrawing your profits from the forex market. So first thing first, obviously you want to log into your broker. So we're already logged in. And what we want to do is we're going to go to accounts. So let's go ahead and find the account that we actually want to make the withdrawal from. And it's going to be, this one is going to be this first one here, $2,953. And these profits was made this week. So I'm going to show you guys right here on TradeZilla as far as profits for the week. So basically only had about 2 trading days so far this week. So I made about $2,300, about $2,300, but this week is Barry's birthday, so I need a little pocket change. So let me go ahead and take my little profits for the week and just restart my account, little account, compound it all the way up, and try to withdraw for next week. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys these are the profits from this week. Let's go to withdrawals. Well, actually, first we need to transfer. So step one is we're going to transfer the money that is in our trading platform back to our wallet. So we're going to go find that same account that has the 2,000 and some change in it. All right, so transfer, we're taking it from the trading platform. So we're taking it out of Trade Locker and we're putting it back into Osprey FX. So it's going to be this first account here, 2953. We're transferring it back to USD, and I'm going to transfer $2,000, so that's about how much I'm going to be taking out. And I'll probably leave 900 and some change and just build that back up to a couple thousand and withdraw that. But let's transfer these 2,000 to your USD. So this is step one. Transfer all of your profits to your wallet. Once you transfer all of your profits to your wallet, you should then see your account balance change at the top. So now my account balance is 2,056, and there goes the email letting me know that the transfer was successful, that it was completed. So now let's go to withdrawals. Withdrawal type, we're going to be doing Bitcoin. So I usually always withdraw through Bitcoin. We're going to go through Bitcoin. We're going to select the wallet, which is my USD wallet. And I'm going to be taking $2,050. And I like to leave a little wiggle room because I already know a couple dollars going to get lost in the blockchain. So I'll be transferring $2,050, and basically the $50 is like the cost of doing business. So I'm looking to get around $2,000. So let's request the withdrawal. Remember I told you they don't be wanting you to withdraw. All of a sudden they got bonuses that will, you know, cancel your withdrawal requests and grant your bonus. So it's like every time I try to withdraw, they somehow always give me a bonus or something. Let me do a normal withdrawal. Yep, and then I'm going to withdraw $2,050. And where is the 6-digit code that was sent to my email? 083223. 083323. Withdraw. So Step 2, after you do your withdrawal confirmation, to enter your Bitcoin address wherever you want your money to get sent to. So whatever platform you use. Me personally, I use Cash App just because Cash App has been good to me. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I usually always hit mine through Cash App. So I'm gonna show you guys right here on Cash App. Let me show you guys in Cash App how it works. So let's open up Cash App. First, I want you guys to see that I have no Bitcoin in my Cash App. So let's go to Bitcoin, and we're going to go to receive, send or receive. So I'm looking to receive, and then I'm going to copy the Bitcoin address. So I'm going to copy this first address. Then I'm going to send it to myself through my email. So let's go back to the email. Let's go to the email that we just sent, which is right here. And this should be the, for some reason, it's not letting me paste the Bitcoin address in my like regular compose messages. So I just sent it as the subject. And I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to copy the Bitcoin address. This is from, I'm going to go back to crypto. And let me just verify that this address is correct. So I always like to just do the first letter. First letter is B. And then the last letter is AA. So when I post it here, first letter is B, last two letters is AA. Perfect. So at this point, I'm then going to withdraw. Make sure everything matches. Okay, so after you do your Bitcoin confirmation, you should see a pending sign up here, basically saying like it is basically in process. So at this point, we can do nothing but wait. So we're gonna wait and see how long this takes. All right, guys. So finally, as you guys can see here at the top, the pending has left, which I don't even know if you guys can see or not. Once Osprey finally processes the Bitcoin, send it to your Cash App. Your Cash App should send you something message like this. If I go to click on Bitcoin, you'll see I have $2,048 in Bitcoin. So at this point, I'm going to just sell Bitcoin. That way I can get the money actually inside my Cash App. So let's go ahead and sell Bitcoin, and I'm going to sell all, and it's going to be some type of fee. It says I sold my Bitcoin, and then so inside the cash balance, which Bitcoin just charged me like $28 fee or something like that. So all actuality, and this is why I went ahead and sent the $50, because there's just always $50 or some change that gets lost in the blockchain some way, somehow. So that was the official withdrawal. When you guys are withdrawing from Osprey, that's pretty much how I do it. This actually took, let's see how long it actually took. So we sent this withdrawal at 6:03 a.m. and it is now 8:11. So this one took longer than normal. Usually it's not this long. It just depends on what time of day. It's early in the morning, Eastern time, where I am. So the blockchain could be hot, could be moving fast, which is why it took a little longer than usual. But this is pretty much how you withdraw when you are making profits from the market. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section. If this video helped you in any type of way, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you guys have your bell notifications on so you can continue to get videos like this. But again, it's your boy, Don't Play Trent. I'm here with a little account, and I'm going to be checking out, and I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Okay.